Let's open the ROS2 Getting Started PDF guide. After setting up Ubuntu 24, the next step is to install and set up ROS2 Jazzy. Click the link to open the official installation instructions. Here are a set of components needed to be set up and or installed. Step 1 is to set up the system. Copy the shell commands, paste it in the terminal, and then press enter. Enter the password. Remember that the bash shell will not show asterisks or dots as you type, therefore continue to type the password and press enter. Once done, let's enable the required repositories. The commands can also be copied by clicking the copy icon on the top right box, then paste it in the terminal, press enter, press Y if prompted, then enter once prompted. Similarly, continue to follow the rest of the commands. At this point, ROS installation is complete. To verify this, source the ROS environment and make sure it does not respond with any errors. Lastly, let's try an example, which is a demo program that is a publisher node publishing Hello World with a counter, as you see on the screen. You should see an output similar to the one on the screen. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed ROS.